Not sure if you should keep gold inside your IRA or hold it as a physical cash? You're not alone. It's one of the most common retirement questions people have. When it comes to owning gold, you have basically got two main paths: holding it inside a self directed IRA or buying it as a cash purchase you keep outside your retirement account. This Welcome to Augusta guide breaks down the differences clearly. For example, IRA held gold can offer tax advantages and is stored in approved depositories, which means you don't have to worry about personal safekeeping. Cash purchases, on the other hand, give you direct physical access to your metals anytime you want. The guide explains each option without pushing one over the other. Just the facts so you can match them to your own goals. I'll link this one in the description so you can check it out for yourself. This guide is part of a free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle that's 8 PDFs in total. They cover everything from economic trends to IRS rules, so you're making decisions with a full picture. The Welcome to Augusta guide is a great starting point if you're weighing how and where to hold your metals. You can download the full 8 guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly and designed to give you clarity on your next step. Grab it from the link in the description and you have all the facts you need to decide with confidence.